It is time now to take care a little of the text. Of course, I need to remove this thing here. The text is too dark. I'm selecting the whole text, Command A or Control A. Want to make the text white. This is like a sort of a caption. So before to go ahead, I want to show you how I can make the text visible and to flow around the shape of this figure here. So I have this image and the text box. I can apply to this image an option which is called text wrap or contorna con testo in Italiano. I have also the option here. In case you don't have it, you can go to Window, contorna con testo, or text wrap in English, and open up this panel, which basically has the same information here. With this button on, remember you apply the text wrap to the image box. With this button on, let me make this more close. Okay, with this button on, nothing happened. If the image covers the text, and that's it. With this here, the text stay away from the dimension of the text of the box of the image, but the cooler is this one, which I can ask to search for the alpha channel of my image, and then from here InDesign try to outline the shape of the alpha channels I've saved in Photoshop. And also I can ask to push the text away a little from the image itself. So in any moment, maybe I can remove the box. You can see I can, so the text stay away from the image and reflow around the image itself. So this is like an interesting feature, a cool feature. There are some moments in which, for example, you want to have this feature also to be applied to other objects, but in general speaking, you apply these two images and then you have the alpha channel. The opposite of this is if you want to have some text. Let's say I want to have maybe the title, this one, copy, paste, and even this title here cannot stay over the image. But in case I really want to have my title to stay over the image, I can go to the text frame option under object, text frame option, and I can say ignore text wrap. So this, in this case, maybe I can do this white so you can see better. With the ignore text wrap option, the text stays on top of the image even if the other text is following the shape. So just to finish, the concept is this one. You have an image, you apply the text frame option. This is totally off. This is on. Maybe 4mm is too much. And in certain cases, you want to have some text that doesn't get affected by the text wrap option over the image. In this case, Command B, the shortcut, ignore text wrap here and here.